squad, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl, none other than DJ Kareem, and I got another secret for y'all today. So I need y'all to come a little closer, just a tad bit closer. I got another secret on a company that offering us a beautiful wig. Yes, okay. I am so excited because this portion of the video is sponsored by Beauty Forever, and I have another beautiful headpiece that we're gonna be installing on today. And y'all, they ship the wig in these little bags. Now, it's no secret, I'm a fan of these bags because it makes it so easy to store the wig in as well as transport the wig if you're traveling with it. On top of that, you have your satin bag, which keeps the wig in immaculate condition. It keeps it from tangling and shedding and things like that. So these little satin bags are extremely useful to have. Now, inside the satin bag, not only did they send us this wig, they sent us our edge band, some press-on nails, then never too many wig caps. If you are a real true wig wearer, you can never have too many of these. All right, and then let's get down to what really matters on this portion of the video, which is this beautiful headpiece. And we have a 13 by 4, 24 inch. Yes. Lace frontal. Oh, it's a curly unit. And we are huge fans of curly units. Yeah, oh my God. It is so soft. Y'all, I love curly units. This is my go-to, honey, because it requires little to no maintenance. It doesn't require any heat. Only slapping the wig on and a little bit of product and you out the door. Now, let's get Alright, y'all, so I already have my wig cap on. But before we put this wig on, I just want to give you guys a close-up of the quality and how well the lace blends with my complexion. Just look at it. Get into it. You'll see it. Now, let's put it on. To get to that finished look, my go-to first and foremost when I'm doing curly or wavy units is always water. Okay, that water can probably get you where you need to go. And then I always add very little product, but my product of choice is going to be Curl La La with this unit. So let's see where we at. This is the finished look and I'm loving it. I absolutely love this unit. It was very easy to install. Beauty Forever made it extremely easy for us. This hair, I wish the screen had a feel button. It is so soft. Look how easily I'm running my fingers straight through it. Like, it is so soft. It's 24 inch water wave. It comes a little bit past my breast. I am 5'4". And yes, this wig is screaming, take me to dinner, darling. Take me to the French Riviera, darling. Take me to the beach. Take me anywhere but here. But this is so cute. I love it. Now, if you too want to own a Beauty Forever unit, I need you to head over to the description box. Click the Beauty Forever link. That'll take you to their website. Now, they just don't offer this wig. They have a multitude of wigs on their site. So select various wigs. Get you one, get you two, get you three. Okay? Add them to your cart. Utilize whatever discount code they have at this time before you check out. And your wigs will be that much closer to getting to your hands and on your head so that you too can look beautiful. Now, let's continue with the vlog.